Hello, my name is Dan Betzel. I'm the owner of Betzel Wealth Advisors, and I'm very excited that you are interested in learning more about modern portfolio theory and Harry Markowitz's Efficient Frontier. At our firm, we follow the investment principles put forth by Harry Markowitz and other leading academics of modern portfolio theory and the efficient market hypothesis. You know, in the financial media, there's a battle going on for your mind. Large financial firms are spending hundreds of millions of dollars each year with the goal of controlling your mind as it relates to investing. You know, they use fear to convince you to engage in financially destructive behaviors like stock picking, market timing, and track record investing. But the great news is that there's a better way, a more sane approach for you to build wealth over time for yourself and your family. Now, in 1952, Harry Markowitz published an article called Portfolio Selection, which became the basis of modern portfolio theory. And he won the Nobel Prize in Economics for his work in 1990. And in essence, his work assumes that a prudent investor, like yourself and myself, given the choice of two portfolios with equal returns, will choose the portfolio with the least amount of risk. Now, Markowitz also created an analytical tool that allows us to compare different investment options as they relate to expected returns and the amount of risk to achieve that expected return. Now, this risk-rewards equation is called the efficient frontier. This approach means that an investor, in order to be successful, does not have to beat the market. Why? Because the market is efficient. This means that the share price reflects all knowable information known at that time. So the data is clear. There is no empirical evidence that an investor can beat the market consistently on a risk-adjusted basis. So thanks to the work of Markowitz and other academics, a prudent investor does not have to engage in stock picking, market timing, and track record investing in an attempt to beat the market. So a prudent investor with a globally diversified portfolio consisting of each of the 19 distinct asset categories is able to harness the power of the market and to receive market returns. Therefore, a successful investor does not have to try to beat the market. He or she must only harness the market's inherent efficiency. Now, I believe that for you to be a successful investor, you need to have at least three things. Number one is some additional knowledge and education about modern portfolio theory and the efficient market hypothesis. Number two, you need to work with an advisor who understands the power of these investment strategies. And number three, very important, is you need some real investment philosophy discipline. Now, I've created an informative video for investors just like you, a video that will walk you through all the various aspects of modern portfolio theory and the efficient market hypothesis, complete with examples. If you'd like to learn more about this philosophy of investing and take your first steps toward creating peace of mind with investing, simply complete the form on the right-hand side of this page. Give us your name and your email address, and I'll send the video right over to you. Thanks again, and I wish you the very best on your investment journey.